Yo, in this video, we're going to be talking about PDT, what is PDT, and how to overcome PDT. All right. So, my name is Isaiah. If you are new to my channel, I just want you to know I'm here to make all of this simple. Anything trading, right, and becoming your best version of yourself, I'm here to make it simple. Trading can sound complicated and it can confuse people and it makes people want to run away and be like, I don't want to learn that stuff. That was me at one point in time. But once I learned trading and what I needed to do, it simplified everything. So I'm here to simplify it so that you can actually start trading. All right. I'm not here with the big jargons and all the terminology and all of that stuff. I'm here to speak plain English. And what does this mean for you? All right. So we got PDT. What does PDT stand for? You have pattern day trader. That's all it means, right? It means that you're taking a lot of trades. All right. And so it's a regulation that is set so it can protect the bank's money, right? And you're protecting the bank's money because you either have a margin account or a cash account. So when you have a margin account and you don't have 25K in your account, then they're going to flag you if you're taking multiple trades a day because they're trying to protect their investment. They're trying to protect their money, right? But when you have a cash account, because it's your money, you can trade however many times a day that you want, right? So if you are getting flagged as a PDT, that means that you have a margin account and you don't have 25K in there. Therefore, you just need to switch your account to a cash account. That way, you can trade how much money you have in your account. So let's say you open up an account and you fund it and you have 5K in the account. Once you're done with the 5K in trades for that day, you're done. You can't trade anymore, right? It will replenish the next day and then you can use your buying power again. It's called buying power, right? So if you got 5K in there and you take 5 trades on a cash account, 1K each trade, when that 1K is gone, you no longer can take trades for the day, right? When you have a margin account, you're using the bank's money. You're leveraging that. And this is for stock options. So if you don't want to get flagged as a pattern day trader, then you need to get a cash account so you can day trade in peace. It's that simple, right? Don't let people start getting you all confused with all this stuff. It's very simple. Get a cash account. If you need help, call your brokerage and they will help you. They will explain whatever they need to explain. If you already have an account and it's a margin account, they won't let you change it. You just have to set up a new account and put your money in the new account instead of the margin account. And then you'll be able to trade without an issue, without any problems. It is that simple, right? Buying power. However much buying power you have, it's going to be for that day, right? So make sure that you think about how much do you want to invest per trade? How many trades a day do you want to take? How much money do you want to make, right? If you're starting off small, that's perfectly fine. But here is why I actually like cash accounts. The reason why I like cash accounts is because it forces you to be honest. When you have a margin account or like a funded account, if you're trading like futures or Forex and stuff like that, you're using other people's money, so you're more likely to be reckless, right? You're just more likely to be reckless. But when you have a cash account and you put your actual money in the account, it'll change the game for you because now you're going to have to be more honest. And if I'm being honest, it feels better when I take my own money and I flip it, right? It's like no handouts. I really learned the actual skill set. You got to understand, it's all about learning the skill set and learning how to execute. That's what the key is. So if you have a funded account and you're using somebody else's money, but you don't know how to execute on the actual skill set, it's no point of having a funded account. But when you learn how to execute with a cash account with your money, by the time you get more money, you're going to be good. You're going to know how to trade. You're going to know how to take the trades. So actually, this PDT rule, it actually protects the bank and it also protects you from yourself, right? Because somebody has to answer to why this money is lost. somebody gonna have to answer to it on a margin account. But on a cash account, you just gotta answer to yourself. But a lot of people try to circumvent having a small account. They just try to start off with a 20K funded account or whatever. But it's like, if you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to have patience, if you don't know the foundational things, the fundamental elements of trading, you're going to lose regardless. So I wanna encourage you, stop trying to rush the process. Stop trying to rush the process. The process is where the champions are made, where the elite people are groomed, okay? So go get a cash account, fund it yourself, learn how to trade, learn the fundamentals, learn everything that you need to learn how to take 1K and turn it into 2K. And then when you do that, the rest of your life will change, right? So that's how you get over the PDT rule. Go get a cash account, simple as that, all right? I like to speak in very simple terms so that we can speed up your results. All that confusing stuff, all it do is confuse you more and then slow you down, all right? So that's what I got for you guys today. Always remember, get out of your head and go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.